Notcoin level up. So if you go to Notcoin bot, you can tap and then here there is your level, and then you can also level up just with buying your level. So the higher level is, the more profitable pools are open for you. So here you can just buy it and then tap level up, and then you can see the price here. So you can level up for 3, 6, or 12 months. It's not possible to have a free trial or to level up just for 1 month. So then you level up either from your balance or with Telegram stars. So then you see here's your purchase. And then you can just buy gold tier in a Notcoin for 1,380 stars. You need to have enough stars for that, and you need to buy your Telegram stars first. So if you just go to your Telegram stars, you can see here buy more stars, and then you can see that you need so that's around like $30 worth of Telegram stars which you need to purchase. So yeah, that's what it is, and then you can just level up after that.